Hey traders, so you might have heard of the saying of cut your losers short and let your winners run. But how exactly do you let your winners run? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you a simple systematic approach that you can use utilizing the 9EMA to increase your profits and let your winners run. What's up, guys? My name is Andre Sampson. I'm a full-time day trader. I've been trading for the past 5 years now, and for the past 2 years, I've been a consistently profitable trader, living specifically and solely off the income of my day trading profits. So if you find this video helpful, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and join our Discord for more free exclusive trading content. Now, let's get on to the video. So, how do we let our winners run utilizing the 9EMA? If you don't know what the 9EMA is, the 9EMA calculates explicitly the average of the last 9 closing prices, candles, giving you a line on your chart that will track the recent price trend with greater sensitivity. Basically, it'll use the last 9 candles, regardless if you're on the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, or hour, and it'll calculate those 9 last candles and give you a trend of those last 9 candles. And so if the market is trending and you are already in a trade, utilizing the 9EMA is going to be a good line in the sand that can keep you in a trade longer. So let's go on to the charts and let's give you guys an example. So currently I am on the NASDAQ NQ futures on the 5-minute chart. Now it's important to realize that this 9EMA trailing profit strategy works on any instrument, it works in crypto, it works in futures, it works in Forex, it works in stocks. So how do we add the 9EMA to our chart? We're going to come over here to indicators, and if you just type in 9EMA or EMA, you can find the moving average exponential. So we'll add that to our chart, and you can see that it comes with this blue line right here automatically. We're going to use the default settings of 9 and close and 0. Now I don't like blue. Let's change it to red, and basically this is what we have. Now it's important to realize that this is not going to be a strategy on how to enter trades using the 9EMA, although you can. This is a strategy video on how to let your winners run and essentially trail your profits. So let's just say that we swept these lows. We're bullish. We have a bullish bias for the day, and we have a fair value gap here. After sweeping the lows, that price taps into. So let's say we entered right here on this fair value gap, and we are covering the fair value gap candle. Now, many people will say take a 1-to-2 risk reward, 1-to-1, 1-to-2, 1-to-3, which is fine. But how if we're extremely bullish and we're riding the trend? There's no reason to get out of the trend just because we reached our 1-to-2, 1-to-3 if the market's going to give us more. This is a mistake that a lot of traders make. They think, oh, I need to take my 1-to-2, 1-to-3 and get out. Yes, you can, but if you have a strategy on how to let your winners ride and let the market give you as much as it wants to give you, then you can make a lot more money from the same sort of trade. Now, this would be a 1-to-2, right? We take our 47 points and we'd be out and we'd call it a day. But you can see how the price, the trend keeps on moving. So an easy way to do this is to only exit a trade if we have a candle body close underneath the 9EMA, or over the 9EMA, depending on if you're long or short on the instrument. So you can see that we don't get an actual candle body close. If we enter right here on the 12:15 candle, we don't get a candle body close until 1:45 p.m. So instead of taking our 47 points, we essentially double our profits to 83, right? So we peak out right here, but if we come right here, this is the first candle body close of the 9EMA. And so with this simple strategy, we're able to let our winners run and follow the trend and take as much as the market is willing to give us and not get out too early. Now, it's important to realize that the 9EMA doesn't work in all situations. If there's not a clear trend and the market is very choppy or consolidating, accumulating, then the 9EMA might take you out of a trade early or late. So it's important to only use this strategy if the market is trending. The 9EMA works really well when the market is trending. Also, this is the 5-minute, but like I said, it also works on the 1 minute, 2 minute, 15-minute works on the hourly, if you're swing trading, something like that. So we would get out right here, and instead of taking a 1 to 2 profit, we essentially double it, almost double it. So now we're taking a 1 to 3.57. And you can see that if you're doing this consistently, not just getting out at a fixed RR, but taking as much as the market's going to give you, then you can really, really extend your profits. And this is a systematic approach that you can use to consistently squeeze out a little bit more on the market on a daily basis. So I guess we could do another example, but it's really simple. It's really straightforward. I use this for a lot of years now, and it's just a very simple way to let your winners ride. So if you guys found this video helpful, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and join us in the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.